The Hoffman Megaplan Assembly and Pre-Delivery Inspection Facility is a unique and enviable operation located next to our Cambridgeshire-based National Distribution Centre. 5 technicians, 4 of which are dedicated to new product and 1 allocated to used or blemished equipment, are responsible for the assembly and testing of every single item of wheel service equipment that leaves our premises. Even ship-only items sold through our sister companies are still subjected to a comprehensive testing process before being repackaged ready for shipping. Our team can assemble and thoroughly test up to 20 machines per day. And this crucial element to our quality process means our customers can be assured that their machines will arrive to them without any potential for out-of-the-box problems. In addition, this facility represents the breeding ground for the next generation of field service engineer, providing us with a constant production line of talented individuals who have learned the products inside and out.